Hello everyone, my name is Clantus and welcome to the Real Clantus Tutorials. So today the world woke up and started panicking because of a YouTube monetization glitch. Yes, it was a YouTube monetization glitch, not because YouTube woke up this morning and felt, I hate the world and everybody that is monetized on this platform, and therefore I'm going to disable the monetization features. I'm going to make the dollar signs to disappear and no ads will play on the videos. No. If you've been listening to me in the past 4 weeks or 6 weeks, you would know that YouTube is undergoing a lot of changes. And recently, as recent as the 5th of October, YouTube embarked upon telling us content creators that monetization is going to be updated as of 2023, where content creators like you and I can continue to create videos and make some money out of our creation. So another thing that I also want to bring to your attention, I hope you were paying attention, that one morning you could wake up to a worst case scenario, like waking up and you don't find your YouTube channel existing anymore because somehow accidentally YouTube deleted it. So it's very important that as a content creator, you do not rely only on YouTube, but also have other forms of income streams so that if something like this happens to you, you know that you are still safe. And another thing that I hope you had paid attention to, or at least thought about, is the fact that you could wake up with your YouTube channel no longer existing, not because YouTube made a mistake of deleting your YouTube channel, but because your YouTube channel may have violated some community guidelines. I will continue to emphasize, I saw some people having an issue with me bring up the fact that some YouTube content have become cyberbullying. YouTube takes cyberbullying extremely seriously. Just because YouTube algorithm has not gotten to your videos yet to suss them out and see if they are still according to the community guidelines, they will get there. And when they do, and then you find out, and it finds out that most of your videos are about bullying other YouTubers, that YouTube channel will be lined up for deletion. So you need to be careful, guys, that when you create content that is going to add value to other people's lives, not what you want other people to watch because you have an axe to grind with a certain YouTuber. If you have an axe to grind with another YouTuber, I would rather you confront the YouTuber in the background. Have your little fights in the background. Don't bring it in front of the camera, because you as a content creator thinking that you are exposing or you're blasting that YouTuber who has done whatever and whatever, that could be interpreted and perceived by the YouTube algorithm as cyberbullying. Please, guys, stop it. Stop it. It's not content. It is violation of community guidelines. YouTube is all about creating communities. I am so sorry with the noise that are happening in the background. It's Saturday today, and so people are kind of like drunk and having parties. So my apartment is no exception to the rule. Anyways, as I was saying, please just be careful. Just be careful. That's it, I can say. So this glitch also got me thinking about going back to my series of multiple income streams that I used to do, like bring you guys ideas on multiple income streams. If you watch this channel and go right back at the beginning around 2020, 2021, you will see that now and again I used to drop videos about multiple streams of income, how you can participate in those so that you do not rely solely on YouTube. Also have something on the side. If you are monetized and you are making money on YouTube, try to find another way of amplifying your income by doing something that you are talented with, other than you sitting in front of a camera. So this morning, it was quite interesting for me to see YouTubers that I never even thought do watch my videos in my Instagram DM saying, hey, you know what? I know we don't talk and probably you don't think I watch your videos. I do. But I'm having this issue with my monetization features. I don't see them. As a matter of fact, they don't exist on my YouTube studio anymore. Do you know what the issue is? Well, first of all, I want to let you know that I do this YouTube content not because I work for YouTube. YouTube does not call me and say, hey, Clantus, make a video about this. Hey, Clantus, do this for us, or anything of that nature. This is me, who is a content creator that brings this sort of things to you about YouTube, because I too go and dig for this information. I look out for this information. I've joined social media platforms that have YouTube insiders that updates, that talk to us and things of that nature. That also includes me having a YouTube manager. Yes, I do have a YouTube manager. Now and again, I will go up to her and say, hey, listen, 1, 2, 3, what can we do here? And then she does advise me accordingly. So I just want to let you know that I don't work for YouTube. I only do this because it's a passion of mine to help other YouTubers who are upcoming to understand how YouTube works, and how also to grow your YouTube channel. And once you grow your YouTube channel, what other things that you can do to enhance your creative juices on the platform. Now I want to add multiple streams of income content on this very channel, or maybe even create a whole new channel about that. YouTube itself is a stream of income. Many people, corporate people, have YouTube channels and they are making extra money via their YouTube channels. So not to downplay your fear this morning, I know what happened was scary. Even when I went to my true crime YouTube channel and I saw that that $sign was missing, I went into my YouTube studio and I realized all my monetization features were disabled. I think for me, it was a little bit better because all I had to do was to go into my YouTube studio and basically re-enable all the features. That includes super thanks, that also includes the supers features, and also enable my ads, and then the ads were back on. So for me, it was a matter of 2-minute thing to, it was as if I just monetized and got accepted into the YouTube partner program. It's the same thing that I did. If the $sign is still not showing on your YouTube channel, perhaps you need to go to your YouTube studio and do exactly what you did when you were accepted into the YouTube partner program, and then your ads will be back and you will see the $sign back, and you will continue making money on YouTube. I did post a community post this afternoon, and I said, if you still do not see the $sign, do not upload any videos yet until the glitch has been fixed. Now, I believe that the glitch has been fixed, and from what I understand when I asked about this, and I think I have it in good faith, that basically there was a glitch with the YouTube monetization, and because they're updating it. So as you guys know, that sometimes when you try to fix something else goes wrong. So in this case, that's what had happened. As I've mentioned, guys, that YouTube is currently undergoing a lot of changes, and these changes are to benefit you as a content creator. Let me tell you something about YouTube. YouTube will never, ever do you wrong, because at the end of the day, YouTube itself makes money out of you as a content creator. The videos that you post on YouTube gets to make money itself. So there is no way that they will do you that dirty. So never think anything negative that had happened today. YouTube is a friend, and YouTube has big plans for itself and for you as a content creator on the platform. However, YouTube as well is cleaning out all the content that are not going to make them money, because advertisers may not want to associate themselves with a content creator that creates certain type of content like cyberbullying, and you call it entertainment when it's actually not. So try, guys, please. I am begging you, if you are doing that type of content, quit it. Quit it today and rethink another strategy on how to add value on your audience. Let your audience know that, okay, guys, from now on, I am going to be creating content that regards you and your needs, and whatever it is that you want me to create, I will create. Do not exacerbate hatred. Do not promote hatred. Do not promote cyberbullying. Do not promote all these things that are negative towards another human being, and then you call it content creation, because that is not content creation. Create content that people are searching for on YouTube, period. I want to re-emphasize this point. Please have other means of income. Do not rely solely on YouTube, because you could wake up one morning and exactly what you just saw might happen. You may discover that YouTube has closed its doors. And then what? What happens to you who were relying on YouTube alone? Have other streams of income. If it means go back to the corporate world, go back to the corporate world until your YouTube channel starts creating you the type of income that you feel you'll be comfortable with, even if when YouTube disappears off the face of the planet, you will still be fine. Open businesses, be an entrepreneur, do things that are going to benefit you by using the YouTube platform. So if you are panicking, please stop panicking and continue to create and post videos on YouTube. Well, guys, I thought I was going to go live this evening, but unfortunately, with all the noise that are happening in my building because of a party or a wedding, like, I'm not sure what it is. So I'm going to be disturbed, and I want to give you my all when I am live streaming, but unfortunately I will not be able. So this video, consider is as Vlogtober 2022 day 8. So please do let me know by commenting down below, and let me know, because we're supposed to talk about Vlogtober 22. Because we were supposed to be talking about Vlogtober 2022 day 8, about how your Vlogtober has been going since day 1. Because today we mark day 8 of Vlogtobing, and we continue, because you know what? We are committed to Vlogtober 2022, guys. I have been hearing a lot of people say, oh my goodness, what have I put myself into? Oh my goodness, I don't think I understood this whole Vlogtober thing. Oh my goodness, what ideas do I have? How to keep my Vlogtober going, because I've run out of ideas. Guys, my first live stream, I gave you ideas about how to have a successful Vlogtober. Go back to that live stream, because I think it's 15 or 10, no, it's 34 Vlogtober video ideas that I dished in that live stream. So you don't necessarily have an excuse. Even if you live a boring life, you can go back to that live, and that live will give you ideas on how you can proceed with Vlogtober 2022. I am enjoying the Vlogtober videos that I'm watching from various content creators on the platform. You guys are awesome, and I'm enjoying your vlogs. And thank you so much as well for enjoying my vlogs and also encouraging me to continue vlogging. Maybe vlogging is going to be the next thing that that is going to feature a lot on this channel. But I think once we are done with Vlogtober and Vlogmas, I will make that decision as to whether how many times a month or a week I'm going to vlog. So I see most of you are enjoying my vlogs, and I appreciate that. Thank you so very much. So let me stop blabbing and say thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to click the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of my live streams or new videos or shorts or Vlogtober videos, because we are doing them all in this great month of October. And also leave me a comment down below and let me know how long your YouTube monetization glitch lasted. Mine, by 10 a.m. it was all fixed up. Most of it was done by myself because I thought, before I panic, let me check what I can do, and maybe there's some things that I need to do on my side, either update my YouTube studio or check some other things or re-enable my ads. That is exactly what I did, and then boom, they started working. Everything returned. If yours have not returned yet, try it that way. Update your YouTube studio, and after updating your YouTube studio, go into it under the monetization feature, and then enable your ads and supers, and then you should be fine. So thank you so much for watching, and let's see each other again in my next video, which is going to be a vlog. Goodbye.